Hi, welcome. This is Mark Edward Brown, and this is a summer wine unboxing video. So, what I have here are two boxes of direct to consumer fine wines, and I want to do an unboxing with you so that you can see what we've got in these two excellent shipments. So, let's go to the first one. I'll get the box opened and we will get into it. All right, so the first thing that I want to mention is whenever we receive a shipment of fine wines, they always come packaged very well. We've never had a bottle burst, leak, break, etc. So that's really important. That something, one of the characteristics that I want you to understand. There's great packaging, and the boxes are very sturdy. I can see right off the bat that I got two of our favorite bottles of wine right off the bat. So the first one, this is a red, and it's a Deanna Young, and this is a red wine. It's a California Malbec is what they call it. It has a fruity texture and is really smooth. When this is chilled, oh, it tastes superb. So the next one, again, this is a Donna Walker, another fine selection. This Donna Walker is California Cabernet. So if you like Cabernets, this would be a great wine for you to try. All right, moving down to the next level in the box, we have two more. So we just had two reds. Now we have, this is a little bit different. This is a white, okay? And this is a Sauvignon Blanc 2016, More Than Muse. If you like Sauvignon Blanc, you would love this vintage. All right, and then next, this is the final bottle for this box. This is definitely one of my favorites. This is a Tanya. It's kind of a rosé, so to speak. This is a rosé, actually, right? So a Tanya rosé. This is a 2020, and this is a very fine tasting wine. All right, so a great selection from red to white to rosé. Now let's get into the next box because I definitely want you to see what we have in the next box. And then, something that I want to tell you about direct to consumer fine wines. These wines you can't find in stores, okay? So these will come shipped directly to your front door. You can select what you want to receive each month. That's the reason why my wife and I like these wines so much, because you can get either all reds, you can get all whites, you can get an assortment. And that's why, aside from the quality and the taste of the wines, that's another reason why my wife and I enjoy the direct to consumer fine wines. All right, if you want more information about them, I'll leave a link below this video and you can check it out. Or, please make sure that you leave a copy, make sure that you like this video, and ask us any questions that you have about fine wine. Like I said, these aren't the same type of wines that you find in your local liquor store or wine shop, because these don't have the preservatives and additives and things that just allow a bottle of wine to sit on a shelf out in the open for public consumption. These are bottled straight at the vintner. My wife and I both went to the vineyard where the grapes are grown for these wines out in Napa Valley, California. One of the best places to get grapes for wines. All right, so back to our shipment. This is great because in this shipment we got another bottle of the Deanna Young. This, like I said, is one of our favorite wines. So we've got two. Both my wife and I can enjoy a bottle to ourselves. Yes. Okay, so the next one. This is a white wine, and this is called Parables in White. This selection is really tasty. I like it because, like I said, it's a white wine. It's a little lighter. It's crisp. It's got a fruitier flavor to it, and so Parables in White, this is definitely one of my favorites. All right, so we're going to the second layer, the last two bottles in the summer wine reveal. Okay, I'm really happy because we have another white wine. I like white wines. This is definitely my favorite. I said it in the last, the spring wine reveal video. This is a Moscato. Man, I love Moscatos. This is Discovery's Moscato from 2020. I love Moscato. And so I'm super happy that we got this particular bottle of wine. That makes my day. Okay, final bottle. Here we go. And bam! This is definitely a red. This is a red that I actually happen to like because this is a Rickard red. If you didn't know, one of the founding members of the Direct to Consumer Wine Ambassador Club is Rory Rickard. Rory is a mentor of mine. He's a marketing genius. He is clearly also enjoys fine wines, which is one of the reasons why we decided to team up and both learn from and partner with Rory and get involved with the direct-to-consumer fine wine opportunity. But this particular vintage, this 2020 Rickard Merlot, if you like Merlots, you would love this. It's definitely going to be enjoyed by my wife and I on a special occasion. So you've just seen an incredible selection of fine wines. And I want to offer you the opportunity to come and sample one of these great wines. If you're ever in the neighborhood, get a hold of me. I will definitely be happy to invite you over to sample some wines and enjoy some good company. And then, like I said, if you really are interested in getting your own wine, experiencing some fine wines, not your run-of-the-mill wines that you can just pick up off of the store shelf, then you need to check out the Direct to Consumer Wine Ambassador Club. And like I said, I'll leave that information below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave those also. I really hope that you enjoyed this wine reveal, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.